I'm just gonna say to everyone, I don't want to pick a fight. I don't want to accuse anyone. I already reprimand Dan Mardayaw, Sangkay Janjan. You know, this is the one thing I could say. Um, Here's the one thing I could say. Jordan Bunagan, the Marcos loyalist wannabe, and Nino Barsaga. Why can't both of you stop criticizing the Duterte supporters? Jordan Bunagan and Nino Barsaga. You see that Kiko Barsaga, he has his own opinion. He protests against the Bongbong Marcos because he's corrupt. Oh, I told to Raya, you remember Raya? That was a daughter of Ate Aika. I told to Raya not to trust Bongbong Marcos because he's corrupt. You see, Jordan Bunagan, you betray me as your friend. Oh, I know Shania Kiana distrusted you. Jared Dino distrusted you. Because I know this is your fault, Jordan Bunagan. You attack David Gill. Oh, you say you gonna kill David Gill. How would you ever kill that person, Jordan Bunagan? And another one, Jordan Bunagan, you threatened me to put me in jail. Oh, where is your evidence? Jordan Bunagan, the Marcos loyalist wannabe. Oh, I am a Duterte supporter. You are a Marcos loyalist. Jordan Bunagan. You know what? I say to Jordan Bunagan and Nino Barsaga, both of you, deactivate your Facebook account. Oh, you, Jordan Bunagan, you defend Paulo Cruzada, that is a pro-Israel. You defended your allies, even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, even Teacher Evelyn Caja, even Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete. You defended them. And even Teacher May Tiburcio, you defended her. Oh, that she is a Marcos loyalist wannabe. Jordan Bunagan. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you threaten me to put me in jail, Jordan Bunagan? If you threaten me to shoot, if you threaten me to put me in jail, Jordan Bunagan, I will shoot you a pellet gun. Oh, Jordan Bunagan, never make a role play again. I know you're making a how person who's making a nonsense. You know that, Jordan Bunagan? Huh? You know, Jordan Bunagan and Nino Bersaga, both of you, huh? Don't call the Duterte supporters tanga at bobo. Like I said, oh, and you know, Jordan Bunagan and Nino Bersaga, I will put both of you in my enemy list together with Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Make Tiburcio, and even Jeffrey Beltran, including Mina Soragon, and even Tata Emeninlao, and including Sangkay Janjan. Oh, you don't know what both of you are doing. Mga putang ina kayo, Jordan Bunagan at Nino Bersaga. You know, Jordan Bunagan, I treat you as a friend. You know, Nigel is a good artist at you. You were studying in the Colf. And then you threaten me to put me in jail? What kind of friend are you, ha? Manuel Luis Antonio never believes your lie. Um, Jordan Bunagan. Oh. And then you threaten me to put me in jail. Where is your evidence? Jordan Bunagan. Ha? If I will prove you, if you have evidence, oh, I will say to Jardino that screenshot from Facebook, even from Messenger, oh, and what you're saying, you're going to kill me. How would you say you going to kill me? Oh, you see, Jordan Bunagan, Patrick Quezon distrusted you because you're an act of criminal. You're saying kill, you're saying put me in jail. You know, Jordan Bunagan, you are slandering my name. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. Even you, Nino Bersaga, you curse, you call the DDS supporters, the Duterte supporters, tanga. And you call them in Tagalog, PI. I don't know what you're talking about. You know, Nino Bersaga. I know you're a relative of Barzaga family. You're a cousin of Kiko. I know what is you're doing, Nino Bersaga. You are threatening, you are bullying, and you are harassing the Duterte supporters. You are just like Jordan Bunaga, Nino Bersaga. Oh, you don't know what you're doing, Nino Bersaga? Oh, and you say about whatsoever, you, Romeo TV Vlog, oh, why are you defending Bongbong Marcos? You know, Romeo TV Vlog, Bongbong Marcos is a criminal. He's a plunder and he's a pedophile. Romeo TV Vlog. Now I am criticizing Jordan Bunagan and Nino Bersaga and Romeo TV Vlog and Sangkay Janjan and even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I know they are pro Marcos. Oh, that is the reason. And I criticize Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, that she is pro Marcos. Oh, I criticize Ate Milcanete, Ate Dina Guillermo, and I criticize Teacher Evelyn Kaka. They are pro Marcos. Oh, because I hate Marcoses. I am against the Marcoses. All of you. Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Melcanete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Evelyn Kaka, Teacher May Tiburcio, and even Romeo TV Vlog, Tata Eminem Lau, including Jordan Bunagan, and even those BBM bloggers. Oh, they don't. What is all of you want to see happen in the Philippines? Oh, corruption. Oh, and you don't know corruption because Bongbong Marcos is a corrupt. He's a pedophile. He's a weak leader. Philippines being embarrassed by Germany, Japan, and South Korea. We don't have loan. You see, Philippines, it turns into a poor country, just like India. Now Philippines was become a poor country, would be just like North Korea. Oh, are all of you are happy? I know I criticize against my enemies who were pro Marcos, including Jordan Bunagan, Nino Barsaga, Paulo Cruzada, Tata Eminin Lau, Romeo TV Vlog, Sangkay Jan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete, Teacher Evelyn Kaka, Teacher May Tiburcio, and even other BBM bloggers. Oh, I criticize against my enemies. And even even my arch enemy, Teacher Evelyn Kaka, I had enough about your Marcoses in your mouth. Oh, I had enough. Oh, if you realize about Dr. Mimi Avendaño, oh, Mimi Avendaño is anti-Marcos. Oh, she experienced in her life when she was experienced of during the time of Marcos martial law. Mimi Avendaño is a victim of Marcos Sr. Oh, when she was a kid, she is a victim of martial law. Oh, what about Nanay Ningning? Oh, Nanay Ningning is a victim of martial law of Marcos Sr. before she left in the Philippines, before she migrated to Germany. When she stayed there in Germany, she never returned to the Philippines. In 1980s. When Ferdinand Marcos Sr. was ousted in EDSA People Power 1, Nanay Ningning had returned to the Philippines. Oh, in year 1998 or 1999. Oh, she just returned. Oh, and as you can see, Nanay Ningning has returned to the Philippines. Oh, every single year, even in Christmas. Oh, she always return in the Philippines. She doesn't want to know what happened in the Philippines because of corruption. Because Nanay Ningning doesn't want another nightmare of a martial law of Marcos Jr., of Bongbong Marcos. Oh, we don't want martial law. We don't want corruption. You see that? All of you. Oh,